Hello everyone. If you are going to put braces on your teeth and your orthodontist has advised you to go for the tooth removal, then this is the video you must watch. Many of the patients having a lot of queries that does I require a tooth removal. So for this we have made a separate video for which we will give you a link in the description box. But today's topic is, does the tooth removal really pain? What happened after tooth removal? Myself, Dr. Preeti Kadu from Dr. Kadu Dental and Orthodontic Clinic. Now, as I have mentioned in many of my videos, around 20 to 25% of the orthodontic patients does require the teeth removal during the braces treatment because of their case need. Now, whenever we advise for the tooth removal, we specifically decide which tooth to be removed, whether it is first premolar, whether it is second premolar, how many teeth to be removed, in upper how many and in lower how many. So according to your plan, we decide that. And we also plan like when to remove the teeth. At the beginning of the treatment itself or during the treatment, when to remove the upper one, when to remove the lower one. These all can vary from case to case. In our clinic, generally, we discuss all these things at the initial treatment plan discussion appointment itself. And when we proceed, generally we put the braces on the teeth in most of the cases, and during the treatment, maybe after 2 to 3 months, we actually do the extraction of the premolars. Now many patients have queries, will it hurt? Okay, now any type of the extraction, we have to give the local anesthesia. Local anesthesia will numb your jaw completely. So during the process, you may not have any pain, but definitely after extraction, you may have a little discomfort. But those all discomforts will be taken care by the medication. And definitely there are some set of the instructions which you will have to follow. The instructions, if you follow properly, the medication if you take properly, you may not have any issues. Yes, but after extraction for few days, you'll have to follow those instructions meticulously. On the day of extractions, you'll have to take a liquid diet, you have to follow all the instructions meticulously. So maybe 1 or 2 days or 3 days, you will have a discomfort. So discomfort factor will be there, but the pain won't be there. Now, what is the difference between the normal extraction and the extraction which is required during the braces, means orthodontic extractions? Orthodontic extraction does require the expertise, yes, because we don't want your tooth to break during the extraction. We want your tooth to come totally in a one unit whenever we do extractions, and that also without damaging the bone around it. The bone is a crucial part of the jaw, and we require it because we wanted to move your other teeth into the space. So we don't want to do any damage to your bone around the tooth during the tooth extraction. So the orthodontic tooth extraction is extremely important thing, and it should be done with the specialist only. Many patients have a query, will my face change after the extraction? See, now as we have discussed, extraction is required or not, it depends on case to case. Suppose you are having crowding in your teeth, suppose you are having procline teeth which are just coming out of your mouth and we want to adjust them, then definitely you will have a facial changes. But those facial changes will be for your benefit. Those facial changes will be far better than what you are having now. The lips, your lips which were actually opened before the treatment would close properly. You will have a proper, perfectly aligned teeth which will give you beautiful smile. So definitely in the cases where the extraction is done, where there is a severe crowding, when there is a severe proclination, your facial changes will be there, but it will make you more beautiful. In some of the cases, even this jawline will get refined, your facial balance will improve. So whenever there is any change in a facial structure, it will be good for you, it will be beneficial for you. It rarely happens that after extraction you'll get bad shape. It doesn't happen actually. And if it happens, probably in that case the extraction would not be a good option. Means the extraction would not have actually solved the problem. So that was not a case of an extraction in such cases. One other common query we encounter with is, will my teeth become weak after extraction? Now, it won't happen that way. Whenever we remove the teeth, it is because we want that space. In that space, we will adjust your misaligned teeth, your crowded teeth, or a proclined teeth. So now whenever we are correcting those teeth, we will get them in a perfect position. We will get them in perfect contact with each other, what it was there previously. In natural dentition, there is a perfect contact between two teeth. So now whenever we are doing any of the orthodontic treatment, we aim at giving the perfect contact at the end of a treatment. Also, we will give you a healthy smile in terms of putting your teeth in a balanced position. Plus, we will give you a perfect bite. That is what we are aim at during the braces treatment. So it definitely will not weaken your teeth. On the contrary, your teeth will stay healthy for the longer period because now they are in a perfect position with the perfect contacts between them, and you'll be able to chew properly with them. You'll be able to clean them properly, brush them properly. Whatever the food which used to get stuck between your teeth, now it won't, or it will be on a lesser side because now the teeth are aligned. In the crowded teeth, there will be always more food lodgement, which you'll have to clean properly. And if you are unable to clean them properly, you'll land up with the tooth cavities or the gum infection. So those all problems will get solved with the aligned teeth. So definitely you will get a better and healthy smile. So I hope you are now no more scared about removing of your tooth during the braces treatment. If you still have any question, please feel free to put your question into the comment box and stay with us for more informative videos. Thank you.